Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Air Wick Warmer is probably one of the most versatile and effective ways to infuse your home with delightful fragrances, offering a consistent and long-lasting scent experience that traditional candles or sprays simply can't match, making it an essential addition to any household looking to elevate their ambience and create a welcoming atmosphere for family and guests alike. Number 5. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Introducing the Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Experience continuous fragrance that fills your home with delightful scents. Infused with pure essential oils, it provides a natural and inviting aroma. Enjoy a scent experience that elevates your mood. Its sleek white design blends seamlessly into any decor. Simply plug it in and let the fragrance transform your space. Enjoy a consistent and long-lasting scent for weeks. It's the perfect way to keep your home smelling fresh and welcoming. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with this essential oil warmer. It's the simple solution for a beautifully fragranced home. What we like? This warmer offers a clean and simple design that blends into any room. It utilizes essential oils for a natural scent experience. If you're looking for a straightforward and elegant way to add fragrance to your home, this is a great choice. What people say? The warmer is very pretty and looks nice on my shelf. It heats up quickly and disperses the scent throughout the room. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 4. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Starter Kit. Experience a new level of home fragrance with our innovative plug-in scented oil starter kit. It includes everything you need to begin, featuring the warmer and one refill. Transform your space with the refreshing scent of fresh linen. It's like bringing the clean outdoors inside, creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone. Our formula is enriched with natural essential oils, providing an authentic and delightful aroma. Enjoy a scent experience that feels pure and invigorating. Simply plug it in and let the fragrance fill your room. It's designed for effortless use, providing continuous scent without any hassle. Enjoy a consistent and long-lasting fragrance that keeps your home smelling wonderful for weeks. It's the perfect way to maintain a pleasant environment. Elevate your home's ambience with this essential oil air freshener. It's the ideal solution for a consistently fresh and inviting living space. What we like? Get started right away with this convenient starter kit, including both a warmer and a refill. The fresh linen scent evokes a clean and comforting atmosphere. If you love the smell of freshly laundered clothes and want an easy way to begin scenting your space, this is perfect for you. What people say? The warmer is simple to use and the scent throw is reliable, effectively covering a large room without being overwhelming. It is a practical, accessible, and very effective option to keep your house smelling good without effort. One important feature for me is that the outlet plug twists to fit my sideways outlets. This item does twist. Number 3. Air Wick 78046 Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Introducing the Air Wick Plug-in Warmer. It's designed to bring continuous fragrance to your home, effortlessly. Infused with essential oils, this device releases a delightful scent. Enjoy a natural and refreshing aroma in any room. Its compact and white design blends seamlessly with your decor. It's a stylish addition to any space. Each unit provides a long-lasting fragrance experience. Keep your home smelling inviting for weeks on end. Simply plug it in and let it work its magic. It's an easy way to maintain a pleasant atmosphere. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or bathroom, it's perfect for any area. Enjoy consistent scent distribution. What we like? This option provides a generous 6.0 count of refills, ensuring long-lasting fragrance for your home. It's designed to deliver consistent scent diffusion. If you want to stock up and enjoy continuous aroma without frequent replacements, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say? The warmer is designed to hold a standard-sized wax melt. It heats up quickly and disperses the fragrance effectively. The adjustable dimmer allows you to control the intensity of the light and the scent throw. Number 2. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Starter Kit. Discover the Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Starter Kit. It's the perfect way to bring a consistent, delightful fragrance into your home. Enjoy the familiar and comforting scent of fresh linen. It evokes the feeling of clean, just laundered clothes. This kit includes 2 warmers and 6 refills, ensuring your space stays fresh for an extended period. You won't have to worry about changing it often. We care about the environment. That's why this product is designed to be eco-friendly, allowing you to freshen your home responsibly. Experience a richer aroma thanks to the infusion of natural essential oils. They provide a more authentic and pleasant scent experience. Simply plug it in and let it work its magic. It's an effortless way to maintain a welcoming atmosphere in any room. What we like. This bundle includes 2 warmers and 6 refills, offering great value and the ability to scent multiple rooms. It provides the familiar, comforting scent of fresh laundry. If you need to cover larger areas or want to scent different rooms simultaneously with a beloved fragrance, this eco-friendly option is a smart pick. What people say. The lavender and chamomile scent is calming and fills the room beautifully without being overpowering. The plug-in warmer is easy to use and the intensity is adjustable. My home smells amazing and the scent lasts a long time. Number 1. Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Introducing the Air Wick Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. Experience continuous, delightful fragrance in your home with ease. Infused with pure essential oils, it transforms your space into a sanctuary of natural scents. Enjoy a truly authentic aroma. Its sleek white design complements any decor, blending seamlessly into your living space. It's both functional and stylish. This warmer provides long-lasting freshness, keeping your home smelling inviting for weeks. Say goodbye to stale odors. Get started right away with the convenient 2-count pack. It's the perfect way to ensure your home always smells its best. Elevate your home's atmosphere with consistent, beautiful fragrance. It's the simple solution for a more pleasant environment. What we like. This pack comes with 2 warmers, allowing you to fragrance more than one area of your home. It uses essential oils for a pleasant aroma. If you're looking to scent 2 spaces or want a backup warmer, this dual pack offers convenience and value. What people say. The warmer is compact and fits well on my shelf. It heats up quickly and disperses the scent evenly throughout the room. The design is sleek and modern, complementing my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.